Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Said. Today we will open and discuss about Panasonic Cordless KX-TG3411. It is a different color, but I have in black color. You will choose which color you want to buy from the Panasonic site or their outlet. It's 2.4 GHz digital phone, and it is different color. So let's open. So here is the handset with out-class finishing and making answering call useful features during a call, phone book, programming, caller ID service, voicemail service is also available in this feature, voicemail service, intercom locator, and here is a polythene battery. You can use the rechargeable battery. A model, you can trace this model. Just remove the back cover of the handset, and here is next one. Here a Panasonic AAA battery in continuous use 10 hours maximum, not in use 6 days of time. Here is the base station or charger. The base unit, you can mount it on wall, large connects, and locator button to locate your handset. Is the model of the base unit, and charging port and line port as well. You can put it on your wall. This is the LAN cord, telephone line cord, and the last one, charger. It's recommended to charge the Panasonic with its original charger, and make sure the power source 100 to 240 volt AC, frequency range 240 GHz, power consumption base unit approximately 0.5 watt, and charger standby from approximately 0.51. So let's install the batteries. Locate the plus minus sign. Just insert the batteries. Make sure the back cover is properly fixed and charge it up to 7 hours. It's recommended first to charge the battery fully charged, then use the unit. So the now charging is start. The handset is now charging up. It required almost 7 hours to complete our full charge of battery, and here is the last one, Panasonic quick book or user manual in different languages and the invoice. Let's see.